Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all. Welcome to Technical Solution, and today we gonna show you guys how you can attach a universal remote to any LCD in South Africa, which is can be Eco, Condair, or any other LCD which is from Chinese brand, even Hisense or other LCD. So this is a universal remote from MRV. So the IC of this remote, it can be programmable, so you can set with any LCD. So as you can see, this is some of the models which one you can use with this remote: Bonsonic, Kubi, Eco, Goldstone, and some other, even Sony as well, and Hisense as well, and JVC as well. So some big brands also as well you can use. So let's quickly unbox it and show you guys how it's gonna work. So this is the remote, guys. So there is nothing in the box. So this is the remote and with one instruction paper. So we're gonna take out the cover and show you remote first. This is the remote, and there is a paper for how to set it up. So as you can see, it's got all the models, so which one you can use. You can use also code as well. So the code using instruction is here. So first instruction is that you have to press set button. I think we're gonna show you with the batteries. We're gonna put the batteries, then we will show you guys. Put the batteries inside, make sure it's straight. And you can close it. As you can see, this light. The first instruction we're gonna tell you guys here, that you see, as you can also find the instruction inside, so you can read it yourself. So this is press set and power button, not release until the light is on. So we're gonna press power. So this is a power button plus set button. So together we're gonna press together, and the light will light here and it will steady. So we're just gonna press it in front of you. And as you can see, it's steady now. You just have to press and leave it. So then you can choose which LCD is yours. Like Eco is then any brand that you are you're gonna use for the remote. So you can choose. Like let's say is Eco. So we're just gonna press and hold. The light is gonna be steady. So we're gonna put for Eco. Eco, the code is we're gonna try is 130. 130, and light will automatically goes off once you putting the code. So now you can try on your TV if it's working. You can just make it off and make it on again and check if it's working. If it's still not working, then they got another code. Before we try 130, then we can try 131. If still not working, then you can try 132. And second instruction, an easy instruction, we're gonna show you that you have to press set button until the volume appears on the screen. So it means you have to press and hold this button and make the remote straight to your TV. So you will see on the screen there is a volume button. So once you see that volume button, then you can release the button, and this you can release this set button, and your remote will be configured already with your TV. So for that you have to do, you press until you see the volume button on your screen. So you have to press and don't release until you don't see the volume button. So you have to keep on pressing and focus on your LCD. So as you can see, it's busy searching. So once it show you the volume button, then you can release it, and then you will be able to use this remote with your TV. So if in case any problem that you face to configure it, you can always comment us on down below, so we can also instruct you how to use it. But in case any problem you face, you can just always comment. So thank you for guys watching. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, also hit the like, and we will see you some other time with another video. So I hope this video was going to be helpful for you. So see you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get another videos same like these ones.